Thanks for watching this portion of Garage Logic today on our YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button if you wouldn't mind. And also thanks to our friends at Everest Men's Health for sponsoring this. Go to everestmenshealth.com today to see if they can help you with better energy and better health. And catch the Garage Logic podcast wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.
It was acceptable to her as recently as
Yesterday.
No, this was Tuesday.
Yeah, okay, you're right.
Monday. So what happened there? Is she trying to save herself, or
I have a theory. I bet the what's your phrase for it? The Good Boys Club,
Good old Brotherhood.
The Brotherhood.
Right.
I guarantee some of the top, because there's a lot of money in that city, and they finally got to her and said, "Hello, you need to do something here, or we're moving out of town."
well, what
Because
was,
money's the only thing that would affect someone like her, don't you think?
Sure. What was heartening to hear her say is, I have to pay attention to everybody. She was only paying attention to the woke left and the criminals. And she said, we've got a generous city here. They've provided us with a $12 billion budget. I have to worry about them. I would love to hear Melvin give this speech. But I don't know what the hell was that?
I think that was
It's a tornado warning?
Kenny's hungry.
Kenny skipped breakfast again.
Jeez Louise.
I haven't ate yet today. I'm sorry, fellas.
God almighty, I'm in the middle of this and he lets out a funny body noise.
You'd think I don't do it on purpose, Joe, and now I'm embarrassed. Come on. I would never.
Oh, I got my YouTube highlight. That's for sure.
No, please,
London
Chris,
breed,
don't, please.
London breed.